on question number 16, I'm trying to get the same base on both sides. So I'm not going to change the left-hand side. And the right-hand side, I'm trying to express 0 as 7 raised to some power. So 7 raised to the 1 would just be 7. 7 raised to the 1/2 would be the square root of 7. 7 raised to the -1 would be 1 over 7. So what about 7 raised to the 0? That would be 1. So there's actually no power that will work here. I cannot express 0 as 7 raised to some power. So this is going to be never or no solution. And it's not just 7. If you have 2 to the x, 3 to the x, e to the x, etc., these are all never 0.